Hi, Brooks here from SWS Marine Group in Calgary, and ta-da! Welcome ChrisCraft to the SWS Marine Group family. So if you're familiar with ChrisCraft, they have a 150-year legacy of making the highest performance, highest quality luxury boats in the market. And I guess the next question would be, why now? Why the Sportster? Why a surf boat from ChrisCraft? And their answer to that is, get ready for the next 150 years. So what I'll do today to get you started on your ChrisCraft journey with SWS Marine is walk through some of the key features of ChrisCraft, what makes it different from all the other brands, and why the most discerning clients in the world choose ChrisCraft. So if you're not familiar with ChrisCraft, the Sportster is the entry level for ChrisCraft, starting at 25 feet, and that is 25 feet including your swim deck. So that's about 23 feet compared to other more traditional surf boats. So the first thing you'll probably notice, even in our showroom, is how high this bow is and the shape. They call this the Carolina bow, and it's made to cut through the water effortlessly to give you the most premium boating experience. And speaking of a premium boating experience, the fit and finish on a ChrisCraft is like nothing else. If you look closely, you'll even see the set screws on the rub rails are all in the same alignment, straight up and down. The premium finish on the ChrisCraft, this one in Gulf Blue, is also unmatched. There's also available paint finish with a full 3 layers of paint and 2 layers of clear coat in a selection of colors that make your ChrisCraft unique. Even the ChrisCraft trailer is a premium. See the 3 sets of bunks that sit perfectly between the chines, spare tire, and your choice of wheels. The Sportster 25 also comes with a standard Power Bimini, and as you can see, has a full frame Bimini. And as you lower the tower, the Bimini actually levels itself, so it's always level to the water. In the Surf Edition, we also outfit your boat with vertical drop board racks from Triton. For the surfers out there, you'll appreciate left and right surf tabs and this Volvo Penta forward-facing prop. Keep your riders safe and make it easy trimming on the water. The ChrisCraft swim step is held in place with a magnet and lowers easily, so you have easy access to the boat and a safe step up out of the water. Also at the transom remote for your tunes, shower, and plenty of room for storage. There's a generous lounge and a convenient walk-through on the starboard side. 2 steps down into the cabin. The cabin space inside the Sportster is very deep, feels very safe, very high backs, and your upholstery, of course, is very luxurious. And as you can see here, your captain and co-captain seats offer multiple positions to make the most of the space you're entertaining in. For the co-captain, 3 position back on the seat, bolster if you want more height, USB and USB-C, and of course, teak finish with stainless steel fittings. On the captain, same back as the co-captain, 3 positions, bolster, wireless charger, again more USBs, your throttle with trim, cruise and active trim assist, and continuing with the ChrisCraft luxury, stainless steel steering wheel wrapped in leather with teak finish in the dash. But ChrisCraft isn't just about heritage and luxury. Twin screens for your engine and all your settings. In the bow, this luxury continues, including a teak finish table, and of course more speakers. This table also mounts in the rear if you want to entertain in the back of the boat. And at ChrisCraft, no clumsy fiberglass sliding pieces to shelter your bow. This has a proper door with a magnet. And of course, if your crew prefers, optional filler cushion for the center of the bow, so you can just make that a giant lounging space. When it's time to entertain, you can maximize your space, move that lovely teak table to the rear, right in the center of the cabin, and enjoy a snack and a drink on the water. It's a very exciting day for us to have our first ChrisCraft here at SWS Marine Group. We have so much to talk about with the new ChrisCraft brand, but we wanted to get this out to you as soon as we could so you can see what we have to offer in this first Chris-Craft Sportster 25. So thank you for coming along today. I know this has been a very quick tour of such an exciting boat, our first 2026 ChrisCraft. We're all excited to have ChrisCraft here at SWS Marine Group, and we look forward to seeing you all soon so you can experience what ChrisCraft has to offer in person. Please reach out to us here or online, and we'd be happy to set up an appointment. Thank you all again. My name is Hy Brooks, SWS Calgary.